In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix VPN disconnecting on Windows. So the first thing you may want to check is your internet connection. For an unstable Wi-Fi network is one of the most common causes, so try switching to a wired connection or restarting your router. Now on your PC, head over to the Start menu and now here look for Device Manager and open it up. So here, expand network adapters and look for your Wi-Fi device, then right click on it and click on Update Driver. So here, select Search automatically for drivers, then click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. So of course, make sure that you already installed the latest Windows Update. Now, the last thing you may want to do is once again head back to the Start menu and this time look for Network Reset and open it up. And here, all you have to do is simply press the Reset Now button for your network to be reset. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!